Building time management skills. Does this graphic illustrate how you feel? Would you describe yourself as someone who is always trying to catch up? Complete this survey, and that will give you an idea of what your time management skills are like. Here is the link for you to follow. Remember to come back to the slideshow video when you're done. How can you develop strong personal time management skills? There are several sites that you can visit to obtain information on how to develop strong personal time management skills. Links to these sites have been provided on the last slide. As you read through these websites, you will notice that there are recurring themes. You will use these tips to make a presentation on how to build strong time management skills. How can you develop strong personal time management skills, you ask? While you are completing this project, you will follow the steps given to demonstrate how to follow good time management skills to complete a project. As you read each step, you will then do what is suggested in the step. Steps to follow. Step number 1, organize your workspace. For this activity, you will need blank writing paper, a pen and a highlighter. Step 2, list the requirements of the work required. Outline what the job requires you to do. Read the articles from the web. Make notes of the key points. Organize the key points into similar topics. Create a presentation that outlines the key points. Step number 3, make a timeline for when you are going to complete each task on the list from step 2. To make a timeline, create a calendar on which you indicate on what day and time you are going to make sure that you have completed tasks from step 2. Step number 4, organize your other commitments to ensure you can maintain your timeline. Check your schedule against the schedule of your other commitments. Make any changes necessary. Post a completed timeline calendar in your workspace. Make a checklist of the tasks required. Step number 5, begin your project completing each task as required. Using your completed timeline calendar, complete each task, making sure you are following the timelines you have set. When you have completed your task, check it off your checklist. Step number 5, begin your project completing each task as required. If you find that you have completed the task earlier than expected, make a note on your calendar. Give yourself a reward. If you find that you cannot complete the task on time, make a note on your calendar why you have not been able to meet your deadline. Step number 6, compile all your work together for the project. Step number 7, submit your project. Here are the sites to visit. Now it's your turn to put these into practice.